Hello everyone, this is Yunong. You can call me Green. Today I want to introduce my portfolio site. As you can see, this is my portfolio site. Firstly, I want to talk about my choice themes, which I created from the 2015 themes. Firstly, I want to talk about the style.css. As you can see, I have the different background for I add the image in the body. And then the following sentence is to change different sections text to different style, like the pages title and then the menus words and then also the footers words. And then the second one I want to talk about is the PHP, the functions.php. Firstly, I add a link for the WordPress. Like if there is WordPress in the content, and then if I press it, it will link to the WordPress website. And then the second one I created a goodbye sentence in the end of my pages like this. Thank you for visiting my portfolio website. The third one I did is changing the logo image in my login page, and then also changing the URL for my logo in the login page. As you can see here in the login page, I have my own logo, and then if I press it, it will link to my portfolio website. Now let's log in. After logging, the first thing I want to talk about is I add a new menu section in the menu here. The header menu, which I can choose to show my pages menu on the top of my pages. And then also, I also exclude some the categories, and then which makes my post pages just showing my personal composition categories. As you can see here, all of the poses belong to the personal composition. And then the third things I want to talk about is the content page.php. For here, I create a return home link for each of my pages. Like here, when I press return home, and it will go back to the first pages of my website. And then the first things I want to talk about is the pages.php. For here, I delete the comment for delete the sentence to control the comment, and then inside my pages there is no comment section. The fifth things I want to talk about is my header.php. Firstly, I write myself as the author for this website, and then also I add a logo on the top of my header here. And the sixth thing I did is for the footer.php, I add the copyright in the footer, Like all of this content is from GreenGnome. Besides those links, I also have different plugins. Firstly, I had a NextString gallery, which make this like I have my own gallery, and then I can press show slideshow. And then it will showing my images by using the slideshow. And the second plugin I use is the Ultimate social media icons. And then as you can see, I got a social media selection in my menu. And then if you press one of them, then it will link to my social media pages. And then the third one I have is the MediaElement.js. This one is for video and audio playing. As you can see in my blogs and the words, I have this audio, and then also I have a video for my game. The final plugin I have is the slideshow. You can see it in the front pages of my website, and then this slideshow showing all of my photos, and then I installed here. Okay, this is all of my portfolio site introduction, and welcome all of you to visit my site. And then if you want to give me some feedbacks, I would be very appreciated with that. Thank you very much. Bye bye.